TMC's ally, Congress Party, has attacked the government, asking why they remain silent on the horrific case of rape and murder of a Kolkata young doctor. Congress says TMC goons have attacked the hospital, but we see largely the Kolkata TMC government has remained silent. A word coming in from the Congress Party slamming the Mamata Banerjee government, asking why they've been silent even after a huge mob has vandalized the RG Kar hospital. There seems to be a stoic silence on the part of the West Bengal government on the same. Let's hear it.
ऐसी घटना ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है बंगाल में। ममता बनर्जी सरकार में आने के बाद पार्क स्ट्रीट से लेके एक के बाद एक ऐसे घटना घटी है। कोई एक जन या दो जन की बात नहीं है। इट इज ऑब्वियस दैट इट्स अ गैंग रेप। सो ये घटना को ऐसे चुप रह के जो सरकार कर रही है कि चुप ही रहना उनका, इट शुड बी ओपन टू द पब्लिक। कोई भी घटना इंडिया में कहीं पे भी होता है तो सीबीआई का जांच होता है।
Cutting to Rahul Gautam, joining us for more on that. Rahul, we've seen Rahul Gandhi himself questioning the West Bengal government as to what they've done with regard to investigating this case. There was also a hint that came in from Rahul Gandhi himself whether there was an attempt to cover up this case. And now yet another Congress leader questioning the silence of the Mamata government even after such huge vandalism was reported late last night.
Absolutely. Deepa Das Munshi, a very senior leader of Congress Party from West Bengal, Rahul Gandhi also tweeted. Clearly, Congress leaders are saying that what really happened in Bengal actually raises serious questions over the law and order situation. And many of them are saying that we are not indicting Mamata Banerjee directly, but a question has to be asked as to how this entire episode was dealt by these civic authorities, by law enforcement agencies, and how the victim shaming had happened, how the hospital authorities were not cooperative in this particular case, and therefore they are saying that this is not one odd incident that had happened in Bengal. There has been repeated instances of crime against women, and therefore they are now cornering Mamata Banerjee government. They are saying that we are not essentially targeting Mamata Banerjee on this, but question has to be asked about law and order situation prevailing. I remember the tweet of Rahul Gandhi. In fact, he saying that how rapes have been happening in the country right from from states, from one state to another, but there hasn't been any deterrent being followed, and this is what actually leading to spurt in crime against women. So clearly it seems that this is going to be a flashpoint between India Alliance partners, and you can expect that TMC will also be giving a rebuttal on these statements and remarks made by Congress leaders.
All right, thanks very much, Rahul, for joining us on that. As we see the Congress Party questioning its ally, TMC is part of the India bloc, but the Congress raising questions, asking why the West Bengal regime, the TMC government, has so far remained silent on the matter, hasn't been steadfast in ensuring speedy investigation, asking if there was, Rahul Gandhi even hinted, if this was an attempt to cover up. So stern questions being asked by the TMC ally Congress Party. In fact, Adhir Ranjan speaking, Congress in West Bengal, listen in.
बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ये सारे जो मसला है इनको ये असलियत उजागर ना हो, इसलिए बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री हर संभव प्रयास करते रहेगी। बंगाल के पुलिस बल सीबीआई को मदद नहीं करेगी, ये मेरा आशंका है, और वो भी बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री के इशारे पे, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते कि उनकी पार्टी और सरकार की भंडाफोड़ जाए।